Hi, for this lesson what we are going to be working on is how to go from a lighter shade of green to a darker one and how to pipe into a leaf cactus using tip 352. So I'm grabbing the piping bag with the opening mouth in 45 degrees and you want to pipe and stop. See, you're piping and as you stop you pull out. And I changed directions because it's easier for me, but you can go in any direction that it's more comfortable for you. See how I'm piping and I stop and I pull, piping, stop and pull. Okay, with my first layer, now what I want to do is I want to go in between the previous leaf. And before it was on 45, so now I'm going to make it a little bit taller. And again, you want to go in between the different leaves. And you can make them as big or small as you would like. Stop, rotate. And as you get closer to the center, you'll have to get your piping bag closer to 90 degrees. See how every time you're making less on each circle. And I just like to make one at the end. There you have a cactus leaf. Okay, we're gonna put it down. And I'm going to grab the pin. I'm going to put a little bit of buttercream on it. Grab my squares of parchment paper. Press down, making sure that it holds there. And this time what I'm going to do is with the spatula I'm going to make a little dollop. And I'll go from there. So you want to put your bag on 45 degrees. And when you go to the second layer, you go in between the leaf. Okay, so we'll do one more on the pin. Since I have buttercream in there, I'm not gonna refill it. I'm just gonna press the paper down. I'll make, right here I'll show you another technique. I'll make a little circle with the piping bag. With the piping bag on 45 degrees and the opening mouth facing you, you'll start press and stop, and when you stop you pull. When you go to the second layer, you want to go in between the leaves. And right here you have a way smaller leaf cactus, and what you want to do with this is you want to put it on a baking pan, take it to the refrigerator for in between 20 minutes to an hour. Once it cools down, it will be easy to peel out. You can use tip 352 for leaves, for cactus, leaves for flowers. You can make vines falling down out of cakes, or some people also use it to make stripes. Also, people use it to make ruffles for the cakes. I would love to see your creations, and you can always ask questions and please post your pictures. Thank you!